Ashy all neutered up.
Oh,
Are you a neutered little boy? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Headed to the promised land, ladies.
The coupon place?
No, the Bayou Village with the coupon. Who's a happy boy? Are you a happy boy, mister? Are you a happy boy?
All that.
Who's my little boy? Who's my little boy? Rah! Rah! Oh my god, the hallway smells so bad. But guys, guess what? So the car was in the shop and we got a little loaner. I'll show you from here so you can't see, but she's stunning. You don't look at my ugly nails. It's this one right here. So yeah, we're just gonna head to get some more shampoo and Bayou Village. Oh my god, you guys, bad omen. My nail like literally just cracked off like at the very base. Ugh, rudeness. Okay, we're in the rental.
Not a rental. The whatever it's called.
It's a rental.
Courtesy car.
Okay, but it's a rental.
Oh.
It's not our car. Ash was just sad because he's in a cage. Okay, look at this stunning little faux wood finish. It's like metal. Right here too. Yeah, you just freak out. It's okay, bubs. We have our little push start. The whole get up.
Country music station.
It's so nice to walk into a car and not have to like bend down.
No, I know. See,
And look at this
all the way back.
sun. Ah, it's like the whole sky. I wish it was sunny.
I know, eh?
Okay, really bad car tour, but that's all I got.
That's what we have.
So,
It's
let's
a car.
go. Let's go.
You buckled up?
Unbuckle that. I feel like a cute little suburban mom in our, ooh, look at the back. No. That's gonna hit the edges.
Is it?
Yes.
Everything?
Ooh, not the license plate, even though it's not ours. Feels so bougie.
Hi, buddy.
Hi, mister.
It's okay.
Hello. Hello. Easy. We're back, ladies.
We did it. We did a thing.
We did a thing. Okay, let's show what we got. Is it good? So we got this little brown number. So cute. I'm obsessed with this. I feel like a lady. And then we got this really cute like headscarf. Did you film this?
I don't think I did. No, I missed
No?
that.
Okay. But I thought it'd be so cute as like a little like head moment. Head moment. 2 gowns, y'all.
2 gowns.
Not 1. 2 gowns. And then I got these shorts. They're so cute. Usually I wouldn't spend, I feel like shorts like this are usually like $5 at the thrift store. I don't know what brand this is. Poke Lane jeans and apparel. It feels like a newer kind of thing. Maybe not, I don't know. Oh, they're size 28, look at that. I didn't know what size they were, but I am a 28. Well, I'm a 27, but 28 is good. And they're so cute. They're like the perfect bleachy, washy jean. I'm obsessed with those.
My shirt in there?
And then Brendan got something this time, which he doesn't usually find anything. So you can show them that.
I'll finish up.
And I'm gonna put my gown on.
That's my cute.
Oh my god.
I got this shirt, a button up,
Put it on.
Put it on. Ugh. It's like, what's the material? It's not silk, but I mean it's polyester.
No, it's polyester, but it's like a suede kind of soft, suede kind of feel.
It's a different texture than what I have.
So different texture. And then this is my new gown. She's stunning. I'm obsessed. I needed to have her. I do have to fix one little tiny spot.
We're not gonna talk about that.
But we're just gonna ignore that it's there. It was on the upper side, I guess, but really not that much, to be honest. Usually I feel like a Value Village like this would be like 25, 30, and it was only 18 at this one, so that was pretty good. Plus 20% off.
Always.
Gotta get that 20% off. And then I got this dress, which is just like so stunning. It's like the How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days-esque, but like more lacy, I guess. More fancy, but like still the same vibe, and I'm in love. Usually I don't like this color of yellow either because it's like too yellow, but I think in the long dress she's stunning. I don't have it done all the way up in the back. And then we need to tweak the boobs because they're huge and I don't have any. But she's going to be really pretty. This like all laces up, but I didn't do that. But she's stunning. I'm obsessed. And this one was only $8. And then I got my favorite shampoo from Palm. It's the Simply Smoothing Shampoo from Acure. Welcome to hair wellness. 100% vegan, 0% pretentious. I feel like it's kind of pretentious just saying that. It's not pretentious though. And then I got this, here, can you do it? I got this really cute chair. Okay, tilt it down a little.
Oh.
There, perfect. Ow, frick. But look how cool these things are. It's like all windy. And it's weirdly like so comfy. I look like such a little slouch in it.
Well, like the seat has like the butt dip.
Ooh, gosh, the perfect contour. She needs to be refinished though, I think. But she's only $10. So that's what we got. Catch you tomorrow. Mwah. Good morning, guys. The sheepy boy. Who's a sheepy boy? We just picked up a projector screen for movie nights. And we're gonna take a little look see at the garden center since we're over here. Yep. So yeah, we'll see you there. Okay, so we went to the plant store, but I didn't film. But so I was getting our order done, and this girl, she's like making them, and I'm like, I think that's mine, but then she's making it in cups, so then I like wasn't sure. And then she looks at the thing and she's like, oh, it's to go, because mine was to go, and I was like, here, they are mine. She just takes the cup, she freaking dumps it in there over the trash, spills half of it, the cup's like half full, and I'm like so hungry, I just take it and go. I'm so bad. Baby. But Ashley had lots of fun in there. He loves the plant store. Because he loves plants just like mom and dad.
Ew.
Don't he? Don't he love the plant store just like mommy and daddy?
Tries to pee on things.
It's just pissing all over the place. Oops. Bye. Where are we heading to now?
Canadian Tire. Got you some sanding discs.
Oh yeah. Because I'm a DIY queen. All right, y'all. We're finally back. We left at like 10:30 and we're back. It's like 2 o'clock. Quite the excursion. No. Excursion. That's the one. So, gonna give you a little haul. Although we didn't get anything exciting, but. Oh, I don't know if I like showed it though. It's so cool and vintage. But we went to Canadian Tire to get some nice sandpaper. We got a multi-pack with different grit. And then what else did I get? Oh, the sanding things for the electrical sander. Crazy. They were 60% off instead of $40. It was like $15. And then we got this for camping. It's going to be our clothesline from the dollar store. And then I also found these sanding blocks from the dollar store too. $3. Woo! And then some glue because I need to glue my boots back together. And that's it. Oh, I made some keys. Oh, and then the projector. We'll show you the projector. This is her. So she comes on like a stand, and then that part is the projector that like rolls and clips up. It's so cool. Should we set it up?
Yeah, why not? There we go.
Pretty good. I'm so excited for me sitting here, watching there. I wasn't going to, but I guess since you turned the music off. We're just on our way to dinner with family. Anyways, it's just like a pub vibe. We're gonna go chill for a bit. Ashley's gonna sleep in the car on his sleepy meds, and yeah, that's why we look all cute. Time for bed. Oh my god. See you tomorrow, angels. Hello, humans. We're at Canadian. No, we're at Home Depot.
The other one?
Let's go this way.
Okay.
Home Depot to get some stain for the table we sanded, which I don't even think I showed.
No.
But we will.
You're too busy. There's a buddy. Right, put on, say that one.
Welcome. Is it on?
Yep.
So this is our desk situation. I love the legs on it, but it was really ugly before. Brendan can show you the drawer. Nasty. So now we're using tongue oil to make it beautiful. So you can see the results when we're all done.
Sneak peek. Mind the mess. Where's the front of this thing? This is the color before. And just this kind of honey looking color. It wasn't the vibe.
Just finished staining with tongue oil the desk. Now we're gonna take little Ashley baby for a little walk and get some bread so we can make some grilled cheese. It's gonna be a good day, guys. I'm like the smallest bit hungover. Ooh, birdie. But it's getting better. We took some Advil. We feel great. So, rock on, sisters. Let's go.
Ashley, what's this? What's this?
When he goes to get bread and he picks up a box of mangoes. Yum. It's lunchtime. We're making grilled cheese, baby. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Ciao, chicos.